치마를 입지 않아요. 치마를 입지 않아요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word 치마를 is in red letters. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about chima. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 293. Chima. Chima. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is chi, the first syllable is chi, and the second syllable is ma. Pronounce it to me. Chima. Chima. The word chima is a Korean noun which means skirt. Again, chima is skirt. How do you write chima in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable chi, we need to draw first a chi character followed by an e character. For the second syllable ma, we need to draw first a miam character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word chima. Again, that's chi-ma. That's how you write chima in Hangul. Now, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I don't wear skirts. Again, I don't wear skirts. In Korean, this is translated as 치마를 입지 않아요. Again, 치마를 입지 않아요. This sentence is subdivided into three. The first part is chima, which is our word for today, and it means skirt. 입지 is the action of wearing something. And 않아요 is a way to say I don't do a certain thing in Korean. So if we combine these three, 치마 입지 않아요, it would result to a sentence that means I don't wear skirt. Again, 치마 is skirt, 입지 is to wear, 않아요 means I don't. And 치마 입지 않아요 means I don't wear skirt. So, looking back to this which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 치마를 입지 않아요 is simply I don't wear skirts. And with that, you've just learned chima. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 283 to 292. But don't forget our word for today, word number 293, chima, which means skirt. Our first word for our review is word number 292. It's mulgogi, which means fish. Word number 291 is sori, which means sound. Word number 290 is mianhae, which means I'm sorry. Word number 289 is Joesonghamnida, which means give me help or help me. Word number 288 is 맛있는, which means delicious. Word number 287 is 여자친구, which means girlfriend. Word number 286 is 남자친구, which means boyfriend. Word number 285 is gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is 바다, which means ocean or sea. And the last word for our review, word number 283, 생선, which means fish. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.